Here, Standard 11, Subject Statistics, Chapter number 6, Computation Combination Binomial Expansion, Section D, question number 1. Okay. Answer the following using all the first five natural numbers. Okay. How many numbers can be formed? First question. Second, how many numbers greater than 30,000 can be formed? Third question, how many numbers divided by 5 can be formed? Okay. So, first of all, section D now. Start with section D. Question number 1. Using all the first five natural numbers. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are natural numbers. So, here statement is using all the first five natural numbers, the possible ways under the following condition. The possible ways under the following condition. Number 1, how many number can be formed? Okay. How many numbers can be formed? So with the help of these five natural numbers, so I don't statement here. The first five natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can be arranged are as follows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, five numbers are there and five places are there. Okay. So here arrange with the 5p 5. Okay. 5p 5. Okay. So five numbers are there, five places are there. So 5p 5 is 5 factorial. So here 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4 are 20, 23 are 60, 62 is 120. So total is here 120. Second question. How many numbers greater than how many numbers greater than 30,000 can be formed? So I don't statement here. Using all the five digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under the condition that a number should be greater than 30,000. Possible ways are as follows. So five places are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now here condition is that all the numbers should be greater than 30,000. Okay. All the numbers should be greater than 30,000. So first number should be put here more 3 or more than 3. Okay. 3 or more than 3. So 3, 4, 3 or 4 or 5. Okay. So this can be arranged in 3 3p1. Okay. This can be arranged in 3p1 because three numbers are there 4 5 3 4 5. Okay, can be put on first place. Okay, and the remaining numbers, now how many remaining numbers there are? 4. Okay, because one number is fixed on first place, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. Okay, that can be arranged in 3p1, and remaining four numbers are arranged in four places, so multiply by 4p4. Okay, multiply by 4p4. So 3p1 answer is 3. 4p4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So your total number of ways is 3 into 4 3 are 12, 24. So here 3 fours are 12, 72 ways. Okay. So there are 72 ways, all the numbers which is greater than 30,000. So all the numbers is greater than 30,000. Now, question number 3 on same question. How many numbers divisible by 5 can be formed? How many numbers divisible by 5 can be formed? Can be formed. Okay. So here, write down first of all statement. Using all the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under the condition that all the new numbers should be divided by 5, which are as follows. Which are as follows. Now there are 5 places. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 5 numbers are there. Conditions that all the numbers what we made numbers. Okay, whatever new numbers we made. Condition is that all the numbers are divisible by 5. Okay. So in that case, you should put 5 on last place. Okay. Then and then your number is divisible by 5. Okay. Otherwise not. So here this can be arranged in 1p1. Now one number and one place is fixed. Okay. One number and one place that is fixed. Okay. And that is 5. Okay. So remaining 4 numbers can be placed in 4 places. That will be arranged in 4p4 ways. Okay. That can be arranged in 4p4 ways. So here 1p1 answer is 1. 4p4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 12, 24. Okay. Answer is there are total 24 numbers which are divisible by 5. Okay. Answer is there are total 24 numbers which are divisible by 5. Okay. So your question, section D, question number 1 is finished. Okay. Now we go for second question. In second question, in how many ways can 4 boys and 4 girls be arranged? Thank you. In how many ways 4 boys and 4 girls be arranged in a row such that no 2 boys and no 2 girls appears together? Okay. So here, question number 2. So I don't statement here. There are total 4 boys and 4 girls. There are total 4 boys and 4 girls can be arranged in a row under the condition that under the condition that no 2 boys and 2 girls comes together. So possible ways are as follows. Possible ways are as follows. So now see here, total 4 boys and 4 girls. 8 places should be drawn here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8 places should be drawn here. Okay. Condition is that no 2 boys and नो टू गर्ल्स आर टुगेदर। इसका मतलब ये है कोई भी बॉयज, दो बॉयज यानी कोई भी बॉयज साथ में नहीं होने चाहिए, बीच में गर्ल्स होनी चाहिए। ओके, सो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? वन बॉय वन गर्ल, वन बॉय वन गर्ल। ओके, सो वी पुट हियर फर्स्ट बॉय, सेकंड गर्ल, थर्ड बॉय, फोर्थ गर्ल, फिफ्थ बॉय, सिक्स गर्ल, सेवेंथ बॉय, एट गर्ल। ओके, बराबर। सो ये क्या हुआ? बॉयज के लिए कहाँ कितनी जगह है? 1 2 3 4। ओके, फोर जगह है, फोर प्लेसेस है और फोर जगह। ओके, सो दैट विल बी अरेंज इन 4p4 ways। ओके, सो बॉयज का क्या हुआ? 4p4 ways हो गया। उसके बाद सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, द गर्ल्स कैन बी अरेंज इन 4p4 ways। उस गर्ल्स के लिए भी जगह है, एक दो तीन चार, चार जगह है। सो चार गर्ल्स है और चार जगह है। ओके, तो 4p4 ways हो गया। और एक कंडीशन इसमें होगा, क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे ऐसा बोला नहीं है कि फर्स्ट बॉय होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे आप गर्ल्स रख सकते हो। ओके, बराबर है। तो आप यहाँ पे गर्ल्स भी रख सकते हो और बॉयज रख सकते हो। सो दैट विल बी अरेंज इन 2p2 वे। ओके, बॉयज और गर्ल्स दो ही जन है, सो दैट कैन बी अरेंज इन 2p2 वे, बराबर है। तो ऐसा कहा नहीं है यहाँ पे कंपलसरी कि भैया फर्स्ट प्लेस पे बॉय होना चाहिए, थर्ड प्लेस पे बॉय होना चाहिए, फोर्थ फिफ्थ प्लेस पे बॉय होना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ दिया नहीं। ओके, सो गर्ल बॉय कैन बी अरेंज इन 2p2 वेज। ओके, so here 4p4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here also 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And here 2 into 1. Okay, बराबर। सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 4 जे 12 24, 24 यहाँ पे हो चुका है, 24 यहाँ पे हो चुका है और 2 यहाँ पे हो चुका है। ओके, बराबर। Now boys and girls, give me one multiply here. 24 multiply by 48. Okay, कितना हो रहा है बेटा? Give me multiply here. Anyone please? 24 multiply by 48. What is the value here? Anyone please? Very good. 1 1 5 2. Very good. So here 1 1 5 2 ways. Okay. Your answer is 1 1 5 2 ways. Okay. Your answer is 1 1 5 2 ways. So your question number 2 is finished. Okay. Now we go for next question. Question number 3. Okay. So section D, question number 3 here. In how many ways can 3 boys and 2 girls be arranged in a row such that both the girls remains together, boys and girls are alternately arranged, all the 3 boys remains together? Okay, so 3 questions are there here. So in question number 3, first of all, write down the statement here. There are total 3 boys and 2 girls. Can be arranged under the following condition. Under the following condition. Number 1, both the girls remains together. Okay, both, because there are here 3 boys and 2 girls. Okay, 2 girls are there. So 3 boys and 2 girls are there. Condition is that both the girls remain together. Okay, remain together. So write down the statement here. Both the girls remains together. The possible ways. The possible ways equals to. Now see here. Both the girls remains together. Forget the girls. How many boys are there? 3 boys are there. Okay. So 3 plus 1, 4. So this is one formula of this, okay. There is no other way to find out this condition, okay. There is only one way. Two girls are there and both the girls remains together means forget the girls. How many numbers of boys? Three numbers of boys. So 3 plus 1, 4. So that can be arranged in 4p, 4 ways. Multiply by two girls remains together. That can be arranged in 2p, 2 ways, okay. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. Okay. So 4 are 12, 24. 24 into 2, that is a 48 ways. Okay. So here, two girls remains together. Total ways are 48. Okay. So question number 3, first one is finished. Okay. Now we go for second question. Boys and girls are alternately arranged. Okay. Boys and girls are alternately arranged. Now see here, boys and girls are alternately arranged. Okay, here. So write down statement here. If three boys and two girls are alternately arranged under the following ways. Now see here, make the 5 box. 3 for boys and 2 for girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here 3 boys are there. Okay, and 2 girls are there. Okay. So start with the boys. There is no option. Okay. Start with the boys. Boy, girl, and boy. Now suppose if we put the here girl, okay, तो girl boy तो boy okay, तो क्या होगा boy साथ में आ जाएंगे, okay, boy साथ में आ जाएंगे. So this we never want, okay. Our condition is that boy and girls are arranged together, okay. Condition क्या है आपका? Boys and girls arranged together, okay. यहाँ पे boy girl हो गया ये, तो अच्छी तरह अरेंज हो रहा है ये boy girl boy, okay. तो यहाँ पे बॉय साथ में नहीं आ रहे. पर सेकंड क्वेश्चन में देखो, जैसे मैं वहां पे गर्ल रखता हूँ, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्लेस में मैंने गर्ल रख दिया, तो गर्ल बॉय तो बॉय साथ में आ गया. ओके. तो ये सेकंड कंडीशन नहीं चलेगा, फर्स्ट कंडीशन नहीं चलेगा. ओके, बराबर है. सो देयर इज नो अल्टरनेट. ओके. सो फॉर बॉयज देयर आर 3 places, 1, 2 and 3. ओके. फॉर बॉयज देयर आर 3 places. ओके. और गर्ल्स के लिए क्या है? 1 and 2. ओनली 2 places आर देयर. ओके, बराबर. So here boys can be arranged in 3p3 ways. Boys can be arranged in 3p3 ways. Multiply by girls can be arranged in 2p2 ways. Okay. तो गर्ल्स के लिए 2 जगह है, 2 गर्ल है, 2 गर्ल है, 2 जगह है. 3 बॉयज है, 3 जगह है. Okay. So like that way you have to arrange. Okay. So 3p3, 3 into 2 into 1, 2 into 1. Okay. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So 6 2s are 12 ways. Okay. So your answer is 12 ways. So 3 boys and 2 girls can arrange in alternate way. So the possible ways is total is 12. Okay. Now question number 3. Okay. Third ka third. Okay. So here all the 3 boys remains together. Okay. Condition is that all the 3 boys remains together. Okay. So here write down statement first of all. All the 3 boys remains together can be arranged in following ways. Can be arranged in following ways. Now see here, there are five boxes are there. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so three girls and two girls and three boys. Okay, here total are three boys and two girls. Okay, so three boys and two girls are there. Condition is that all the three boys remains together. Okay, so forget the boys. How many girls are there? Two girls. Okay, so two plus one, three. Okay, that can be arranged in 3p3. Okay, तो जब भी आपको ऐसा दिया है कि भाई तीन बॉयज साथ में होने चाहिए। ओके, तो क्या करना है आपको? तो ऑपोजिट में क्या दिया हुआ है? गर्ल्स दिया हुआ है, तो उसमें आपको वन प्लस करना है। ओके, सो टू प्लस वन क्या हो जाएगा? थ्री हो जाएगा। सो 3p3 क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 3p3। ओके, बराबर। मल्टीप्लाई बाय बॉयज कितने हैं यहाँ पे? 3p3। सो बॉयज कैन बी अरेंज इन थ्री बॉयज इन थ्री वे, थ्री जगह। ओके, थ्री बॉयज एंड थ्री प्लेसेस आर देयर। ओके, थ्री बॉयज एंड थ्री प्लेसेस, सो थ्री कैन बी अरेंज इन 3p3 ways. So here 3p3, 3 into 2 into 1 multiply by 3 into 2 into 1. So here is 6, here is 6. So total is here 36. Okay. Total is here 36. So all the three boys remains together. Total 36 ways. Okay. तीन लड़के साथ में होंगे। ओके, और वो साथ में होंगे ऐसा, यानी कोई भी जगह यहाँ पे ऐसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हो 1 2 3, 1 2 3 यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो 1 2 3। ओके, तो वैसे 36 आपके पास पॉसिबल वेज है। ओके, बराबर। So your question number 3 is finished. Okay.